Conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction connects words, phrase, or clause. A conjunction connects words, phrase, or clause. Types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Example: and, or, but, nor, for, so, yet. Why it's yet. Coordinating means a man is so bigger than B man. Subordinating conjunction. Because, although, since, if, unless. Correlating conjunction. Either, neither, nor.